Hello and welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. Today I am going to share a recipe. This is not a common one and not even uncommon one. I am going to share the recipe of Badha Coffee Thoran or the Cabbage Thoran. This is the South Indian recipe, and in summer, every time we don't like the cabbage with that Bengali style like fish head, মাছের মাথা দিয়ে বাঁধা কফি or something like that. So I need to do something which is very light. So I'm going to share the recipe of cabbage thoran. So subscribe my channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel, and you can check Instagram Madhurima's Kitchen, or you can check Madhurima's Kitchen Facebook page. And if you want to give the food order, you can check in Zomato or can directly contact me Madhurima's Kitchen. So let's start with the recipe. For this recipe we need cabbage and these shallots or onion. First of all, cut this cabbage thinly. And I have black mustard seeds, and then turmeric, Kasmiri minced powder and salt. And I am using curry leaf, whole red chili dry, and chola dal, and then this is coconut and spring onion, heat some and vegetable oil. And that's my secret, I add whole cumin as well. Be careful when you are adding curry leaf, it can splatter a lot, so be careful. And add rest of the ingredient, that chola dal, and cook it well. Don't forget to add the dry red chili, it is awesome. Once the dal is brown, add the shallots and onion. If you don't have shallot, you can use only onion as well. Now add the chopped or sliced cabbages and the dry spices or masala and cover it. Cabbages are getting soft and it already reduced a lot. So now open the lid and cook it properly in a medium flame. Now open the lid and cook it so there won't be any water, it will be dry, and add rest of the curry leaf and some sliced onion, and add the dry coconut powder. Cabbage thoran is ready to serve, and enjoy.